Hey traders, welcome to this new video. So now I've used this easiest strategy for a couple of times, and I've traded EURUSD and GBP/USD as my best pairs, and they have paid off. Now this is a small account and you can see how it is moving. So I'm going to show you how you can use this strategy to make daily profits in the market. Okay, so now this strategy we shall combine what we call market structure, change of character, and we shall combine liquidity and other things. Okay, so now here it is the best one you can see. First of all, you have to identify the market direction. Okay, so now, for example, if you can see this market, this was a bearish market, right? So now this one, it was a bearish market. It means we have to look for buying opportunities, okay? And also it will reach a time and it changes character, whereby we shall start to sell when it changes character, because now it is in the bullish trend. That's why here you are seeing here that this was a break of market structure right there. You can see that break of market structure. All these are breaks of marketing structures, because this is a bullish trend, guys. Okay, market structure. Now, for example, after it broke the structure right here, you can see that there was a zone that the market left and it had to come back and turn from it. There was this order block. I talked about order blocks, so you can actually go and look at them. Okay, so now that is an order block that the market turned from, and also there is an order block right here. So now it is your role now to wait for the market to come to any order block, then you wait for confirmation, which we call change of character, for you to enter. Okay, so now also you can see that it reached on a certain zone, right? It reached on a certain zone, and this zone here, you'll see when you go to your higher time frame, this is an H4 time frame. When you go to H4 time frame, you'll see that there was this order block that the market actually wanted to come and retest that. Okay, so now you can see that this is an order block. Also, the market has turned from it. When you go to your time frame, like this minute 15 time frame, when the market tapped in that H4 order block, you can see how it reacted. You can see the change of character we always use. Always the market first makes a low. For example, this is a low the market first makes. Okay, then after making this low, always the market has to come back and break this low. Okay, you can see how the market came and broke that low. Then after breaking that low, we always have to wait for this market somewhere. It is the order block. Okay, so that is a change of character. It is very good trade. You can see how it moved, and we are in this trade, right? Our small account is actually moving. So when you go to your GBP/USD, there are some buying trades that we have actually caught this week. Okay, because now when you go to your H1 time frame, you can see how the trend was very good right here. How? Because now it was a bullish trend, guys, right? Because you will see this. Can you see this? This one was a break of market structure right there. And when it broke the market structure, it first turned from this order block. There was this order block that the market first turned from. You can see the turn that the market had made. Okay, have you seen that when it reached there? Can you see how it really reacted? Okay, then it came back here and broke this high, making it to be another break of market structure, guys, right? So now when it broke that, now we had another order block which is down here. So we say that now let's wait from this, because now we are still bullish. Okay, so we had to always look for the buying opportunities. Now you can see that there was liquidity right there. This low, it means that this low had to be taken for us to enter this market, right? So now this low had to be taken out. You can see that when the low are taken out, the market closed above. It just left a week. It means the liquidity, all those early buyers have been swept out. Now for us, they came and we entered from right there. Then the market came back again and broke this high right here. Okay, so now it came back and broke this high. Okay, when it broke that high, now we wanted to look for another buying opportunity. We said, okay, let's wait for it on a fair value gap, because also we look for fair value gaps. Can you see the market when it came to fair value gap? It gave us another impulsive move. I think you can see how this market is moving with your pairs when you really pay attention to them. Okay, just know this strategy, it is working very well and very good. You can see this one was a bearish trend. Then there's this, you can see this low it made. It was quite small, but when you can see it very well. When it made that low, you can see how it came and broke it from right here. So it came and broke that low right here. When it broke that low, it means that we had to wait for the market from right here. Also, we had to pay attention for the liquidity. That means we had to pay attention for this low to this low, whether the market will close above that low. When you go to your H4, you'll see that really the market closed above that low. Okay. When the market came there, it closed above that low. That means buyers will come and enter the market immediately after the market closing above that low. Okay. So now there are other examples that we can look at that the market has really tested, right? So just know when you follow the trend and you follow your rules, you can really make good money in this market. Hope this video has been helpful to you guys. Smash that like button and give a like to this video. And if you are looking for the best propFirm, FX is the best. So check it in the description. And if you are looking for the best crypto trading opportunity, Ubit is the best. All links are in the description. Thank you.